Okay, the GH in English, if you're learning English, you know this is very difficult to pronounce words with the GH. There aren't a lot of pronunciation patterns. You have to learn the word and how it's pronounced. You have to do it. Let's go through and master the pronunciation of these common words in English. Through, through, though, though, although, although, tough, tough. And I'll put all the word meanings down below in the description so you have those as well. Cough, cough. Thorough, thorough. Laugh, laugh. Enough, enough. Rough, rough. Bought, bought.